what happened to KITT from Knight Rider or my 1983 Trans Am, because this is definitely not the original KITT from Knight Rider. It's not even close. So yeah, I mean, welcome to my first car. So my first car is this 1983 Trans Am. I just love this car. When I was a kid, I always really adored the third gen F body cars. I mean, I was in love with the Camaro, and then when I saw the Trans Am, I just fell even more in love. The body lines, I mean, still to this day, a timeless design, super low drag. I mean, just a gorgeous car. Now, this one's mine. It's been sitting at my mom's for quite a long time, unfortunately. And you know as well as I do that when cars sit, they kind of get taken back over from the world. You know, rust comes out of the ground, or an iron comes out of the ground, and steel gets made from it, and then it starts to rust back away. I mean, if you let it sit, that's what happens. So unfortunately, I've had some of that happen to mine, but we are gonna go ahead and look to restore this car. I don't have a time frame. I'm not in a super big rush, but I promise it will happen. Because I love this car and it needs to come back. When I bought this car, I immediately drove it to my grandfather's house. So my grandfather had a huge field. We parked it out back, and every day I would come over to my grandfather's house and he would teach me how to drive stick shift, which I love about this car. You know, a 5-speed in your first car, I feel like is a must for everybody. You know, if you can drive stick shift, you can drive anything. So I was always happy to know that my first car was a stick shift, and obviously this car was way more fun as a 5-speed than it ever would have been if I'd have bought the automatic. I'm not really an automatic fan, I never really have been. We used to take the T-tops off all the time. My grandfather had emphysema, so unfortunately, when I got the car, we had kind of a leaky fuel pump and always had a gasoline smell in the car. So we always had the T-tops off and the windows down, and we would just cruise the back roads. I didn't even have the car titled or anything yet, and we were still like, just, you know, down the one road that he lived and back again. So he could teach me how to use the stick shift up and down hills. And I just love these wheels. They're actually my favorite wheel design ever. A lot of folks will say, hey, those are some pretty ugly wheels, but I love it. And the pop-up headlights still work. All the electronics and stuff still work. We were testing most of it, so that's definitely something that's good, because it's something I'm not gonna have to worry about when we get moving on it. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to redo some video work on this car and wanted to get your guys' opinions on it and see how you like it. If you have anything you'd like to talk about, any questions, please let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and we'll definitely be posting more of this car very soon.